Hello my friends, welcome back. Alright, in UV, you can adjust the textures that you give to elements that you have here according to its location or rotating on the axes XYZ. Alright, for example, click on here and offset it on X-axis, and you're gonna set it on the edge of something, for example wardrobe or something else. Well, or you can offset it on y-axis. For example, here, yes, it is, and this one y-axis. Let me show it to you here. All right, it makes the texture move up or down. It's up to you. You can move it up or down just like that. See? Very good. And the next one is z-axis, which is kind of our y here. Yes, or you can rotate it in this part. Yes, just like that. Heading is our x-axis, pitch is y, and bank is z-axis. Yes, you can use them instead of the axes. All right, let me put it 0. Very nice. Okay, 0 here. Good. The next part is weather. Weather is, for example, when you set a texture here, you should choose which weather is convenient for it. The first texture is stone. It is used for the old textures. Yes, and here the slider, weather strength. Yes, you can increase it or decrease it. It's up to you. Okay, and the next one is like a old wood. Yes, wood. Here you can increase or decrease the strength, and we have properties here, and we have many different textures here. For example, leather or iron or gold, copper, plastic, or even silver or aluminium. This part I told you, it is the strength of weathering. Alright, let's get to the next part, which is foliage. Well, it makes you able to set some plan or something like that. Let me try it on that wall that we have there. It's better to show it to you. Alright, let it load. I did click on it. Very well. Yes. Now if I increase this slider, let me zoom in, it would be something like that. It's so cool, huh? Yes. And you can adjust its spread. And the next slider is leaf size. You can change the size. Even we have them here, since it is the same texture. Alright, and the next one is leaf type. We can change type of the leaf. Yes, we have many types here. Alright, the next slider is spread offset. Yes, since this texture is repeating. And ground level, it's up to you that if you want it to be higher or lower. Yes, you can put whatever numbers you like. It's your choice. You can change the level here to ground level, maybe 1 or 1/10 or half or minus. It's up to you. The next item is settings. To show it to you better, let me go up there Yes, let's go in. Very good. The first slider is soften edges. Here we are able to soften the edge that we have here. Yes, as you can see, the quality in 2023 version is very good. You can make it smoother or not, it's up to you. The next is slider texture saturation. Yes, you can decrease it or increase it, and here clear code. You want it to be like a mirror or not? See, just like that. It's about reflection. And the last one is flicker reduction. Well, you know what? It is used when you have materials or some subjects that they are overlapping each other as the surfaces. And as you are moving or rotating, they are shimmering. For example, let me find something according to this option. Alright, let's see if we find it or not. I hope there is something which is shimmering here. Okay, I don't think we have it here. Okay, we don't have it. Let's continue. Alright, in order to adjust the overlapping the materials, you can use this slider here, flicker reduction, just like that. It is so useful and so functional, and we can use it many times. Such a good tool, since many times these surfaces overlapping each other, and by this slider we can control them, handle them. Okay, that's it for the settings of the materials. And it is for all the materials, but the standard one has more settings compared to the rest of them. Alright, about this icon here, let me explain it to you. Find materials in library. You can find the material that you selected by this icon. For example, if I click on this glass here, let me show it to you. Right, let it load. Okay, click on it, and if you click on search while you are not in the library, okay, for example, if you are in landscape and click on glass here, and click on search material, alright, let me check this out. For example, you're in settings, and if you click on glass and search, yes, it brings you into that specific library where you selected that material. Alright, that's it for this icon. The next one is copy material. Let me go to settings, copy material. Well, as you click on it, it is copying the information of the material. Okay, let it load. It doesn't take so much time, but in this case, as we are in effect mode, not build mode, and the texture that we have here is kind of too heavy to load, so maybe now it's taking much time. Alright, let's go. For example, this wall, if I click on here and paste the material, yes, then it gives the material of the floor to the wall. Alright, now maybe, for example, you just need to change the picture. You can use this way when all the settings are the same, but you just need to change the pictures. For example, roughness, As you can see, it's so cool. And after that, we have this menu here. Let me show it to you up there. After I choose this picture, very good. All right, that's it. Let me click on this menu. Yes, we have load materials from disk and save materials to disk. For example, I'm gonna save the texture of these floors that we have here. So click on it and go to menu, save materials to disk. For example, go to this file and create a new folder. I'm gonna name it Lumion Materials. Right, Lumion Materials. Yes, and you can categorize your parts. For example, floors, or the next one could be concrete. Okay, let me go to floors, and even you can categorize your files as well. For example, I'm gonna save it. For example, wood floors number 1. Yes. In the next project, we can use it from this part here. You can load it. And as you are working on your many projects, different projects, after a while, you see you have many different textures that you can use them.